Day 9 of the 30-Day English Challenge. Welcome back. You are doing excellent work. In the first 8 days, you built the foundation. You learned the roadmap, speaking practice, problem fixes, useful words, shadowing, thinking in English, listening practice, and confidence. Today we make it a habit. A lot of learners start strong but stop after a few days. Why? Because they do not have a daily routine. They wait for motivation. But motivation goes up and down. A routine keeps you moving, even when motivation is low. That is why today's lesson is so important. I am going to show you a simple daily English routine that actually works. This lesson is slow and clear for beginners. You can follow it every day. You do not need special tools. You do not need hours of free time. You only need consistency. Small practice every day is better than a big practice once in a while. Let's begin. Why routines matter. If you want real fluency, you must practice English every day. Not once a week. Not only when you feel excited. Every day. A routine helps your brain remember. It helps your mouth stay active. It helps your listening improve. It helps your confidence grow. Most importantly, it helps English become part of your normal life. Without routine, English stays a lesson. With routine, English becomes a habit. And when English becomes a habit, progress becomes much faster. Let me show you the simple formula. The formula is: listen a little, speak a little, read a little, think a little, repeat every day. That is the core idea, simple, clear, and powerful. Morning routine. Start your day with English. When you wake up, do not open social media first. Open English first. Even 5 minutes is enough. Say these lines: Good morning. I am awake. Today is a new day. I will practice English. I am ready to learn. Say them slowly. Say them clearly. You can speak them out loud or in your mind. This wakes up your English brain. Then listen to a short English clip. It can be 1 minute. It can be a short sentence practice. It can be a small lesson. The goal is to let English enter your mind early in the day. After listening, repeat 3 or 4 sentences. Do not rush. Just copy the rhythm and sound. A good morning routine can look like this. 1 minute of English self-talk. 2 minutes of listening. 2 minutes of repeating. 1 minute of reading simple sentences. That is only 6 minutes, but it already gives your day a strong English start. Afternoon routine. In the middle of the day, do a short English reset. Many learners forget English during the day because they are busy. That is normal. But if you stop completely, your brain becomes disconnected. So in the afternoon, bring English back for a few minutes. Look around and describe what you see. The room is quiet. The table is clean. The window is open. I am working now. I need more energy. Say 5 or 6 simple sentences about your environment. This keeps your English active. Then ask yourself simple questions in English. What am I doing now? What do I need today? What time is it? How do I feel? What should I learn next? Answer in English. Short answers are fine. You are training your brain to think without translation. If you can, read a few English lines during lunch or tea time. Even 1 paragraph is useful. The goal is to keep English alive during the day. Evening routine. The evening is perfect for review. At night, your brain is calmer. This is a great time to practice speaking, listening, and review. First, review the words or sentences you learned earlier. Then speak a short summary of your day in English. For example, today I woke up early. I practiced English in the morning. I listened to a short lesson. I learned new words. I feel proud of myself. This is very powerful because it connects English with your real life. Then do 1 small listening practice. Listen to a short clip or a few sentences. Repeat them slowly. Do not worry about perfect pronunciation. Focus on clear practice. At the end of the evening, say these lines: I practiced today. I made progress today. I am better than yesterday. Tomorrow I will practice again. This helps your brain close the day with success. The best daily routine. Now let me give you the best simple routine for beginners. Morning. 1 minute of self-talk. 2 minutes of listening. 2 minutes of repeating. 1 minute of reading. Afternoon. 2 minutes of describing your surroundings. 2 minutes of asking questions. 1 minute of thinking in English. Evening. 3 minutes of review. 3 minutes of speaking about your day. 2 minutes of listening and repeating. 1 minute of motivation. Total time, about 20 minutes. If 20 minutes feels too much, start with 10 minutes. If 10 minutes feels too much, start with 5 minutes. The size does not matter as much as the habit. What matters is doing it every day. How to stay consistent. Consistency is the secret to everything. Here are 5 simple ways to stay consistent. First, do the same routine every day. Do not change it too much. Second, keep it small. A small routine is easier to keep. Third, do it at the same time each day. Morning or evening works best. Fourth, track your progress. Mark every day you practice. Fifth, forgive yourself if you miss a day. Then start again immediately. Do not wait for the perfect day. The perfect day does not exist. Start with the day you have. Common mistakes. Many learners make the same mistakes with routines. Mistake 1, making the routine too long. If it is too long, you will stop. Mistake 2, doing only one skill. You need listening, speaking, reading, and thinking. Mistake 3, practicing only when motivated. Routine works when motivation is low. Mistake 4, changing the plan every day. Simple repetition creates habit. Mistake 5, expecting fast results. Habits grow slowly, but they grow strongly. A routine is like water dripping on a stone. One drop does not change much, but many drops over time can change everything. Real examples. Let me show you how a learner can use this routine in real life. Person 1 has 5 minutes in the morning. They say 3 English sentences. They listen to a short clip. They repeat 2 lines. That is enough for day 1. Person 2 has 10 minutes at night. They review words. They speak about the day. They ask and answer simple questions. That is enough for day 2. Person 3 practices 20 minutes daily. They speak, listen, read, and think in English. After a few weeks, they feel more comfortable. After more time, they feel stronger and more fluent. Small routine, repeated daily, creates big change. Your Day 9 Challenge. Today, build your own routine. Choose your morning practice. Choose your afternoon practice. Choose your evening practice. Keep it simple. Keep it short. Keep it daily. Say this to yourself: I will practice English every day. I will stay consistent. I will not quit. I will improve step by step. That is the mindset of a strong learner. Before we end, let me give you one simple habit rule. Do not skip 2 days in a row. If you miss 1 day, that is okay. But do not miss 2. Keep coming back. That is how habits survive. Day 10 will be about common mistakes English learners make, so keep going with the series. You are building something strong now. You have already done so much. You are not a beginner in the same way you were on day 1. You are growing. You are improving. You are becoming more confident. So keep your routine small, simple, and steady. Practice a little every day. That is how real English progress happens. Comment daily routine done if you are ready to build this habit, and I will see you in day 10. Day 10 is coming next, and it will help you avoid the mistakes that hold learners back. Until then, stay consistent, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. You are doing great.